Hey guys, welcome back my channel. Today I'm in Takayama City in Gifu Prefecture.
こんにちは。
From now I'm going to have Mitarashi Dango.
みたらし団子一つ。
I said that could I get Mitarashi Dango? It is skewered sweet soy sauce dumpling. By the way, this food stand is lovely and located main street, so you can find easy. She is hitting Mitarashi Dango right now.
はい、ありがとうございます。いただきます。あ、そうだ。はい。
And also this is so cheap. The price is 150 yen. Is $1. Here this is beautiful river. The morning market is taking place here. There are lots of foreigners. They enjoy old style streetscape. And also here is conservation area by government. That's why a lot of people come here and enjoy Japanese old style culture, and also everybody has respect against Japanese culture. And also there are many souvenir shop and ramen shop and snack like street food. Not only restaurant but general house, but looks appearance is old style. It's amazing. And just once I could eat while walking because of so less people. It was not crowded. However, if it was a lot of people, I think it's better to sit and eating to protect people and of course yourself. And you can hear many languages here. It makes your mind fresh and more fun. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe and like. See you next time.